Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the pink Power Ranger. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top portion of her helmet first. So on the side here I'm going to draw in a bracket. This is going to be the width of the helmet. So once you have those two sides right here, I'm going to come in toward the middle right here. So this is going to be kind of right over the lip. So it's come across, and then for the top we're just going to round everything off. So just one big circle. Alright, so that's the top portion, and now let's come down and finish up the bottom. So from the side here, I'm just going to draw one curve. This is going to be her jawline and all the way down to her chin. So same thing here. Okay, and then on the bottom here, I'm going to add in another line, pretty much the same thing. It's a little bit tricky with all these curves. Okay, and then from here, all we have to do is just draw in her lip. So I'm right underneath this line right here, I'm just going to draw one line across. And then the lower lip, one line, and then on the top, another line, a little bit shorter. And then once you have those three lines, just connect them to the corner here. I'm just going out. And this will give me our lip shape. Alright, so now that we have the bottom, and let's finish up the top. So from the middle, just kind of go up. You can make a little point there. And this part's a little bit tricky. It's almost like a heart shape. Just kind of go up. And then curve it down in here. Okay, so go up. Just come around and just kind of come in a little bit more. So it's almost like a heart shape if you continue these two lines. Alright, and then a little bit more detail in here. Just draw a little angle inside. I know a helmet's very complicated, so we have to simplify things. And then lastly in the middle, let's just go ahead and add one line in the middle. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the helmet. We'll keep it simple, and now let's move on to her body. So her neck on the side here, just two lines. And then for the collar, just kind of come in toward the middle. And then the suit is pretty skin tight, so this is going to be almost like a generic body. So for a shoulder, let's just slant it out. Okay, not too wide. And then we're going to come down. This is going to be an armpit right here. And then now we're going to pinch it in all the way down to the waist. And then from her waist, let's just continue down to have a kind of a nice stopping point right here. So I'm going to flare out. This is going to be her hip. So we're going to come out. And then come back in toward the middle. You can leave a little bit of a space there and just kind of close it off. Alright, so that's a good stopping point for the torso area. Now let's draw in her arms, and then we'll add in all those cool little details on her armor. So here's her armpit. So from the shoulder, I curve down. Then for the bicep, back to the armpit. It's gonna go straight down. So this is gonna be our elbow. Flare out for the lower arm. Just come out a little bit. And then this one's gonna turn this way. And this one, we're gonna go down straight past that line. And then when we close it, there should be a slant. Alright, and then for a fist, come in with a little hook. Here's the back of the fist. Just come down and then round it off and close it off. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So it's pretty much the same. Here's the armpit. Shoulders curving down. Bicep again. Just come down. Lower arm, just flare out slightly. Then this one curve. This one straight down past this line. Close it off with a slant. Alright, and then same thing here. Let's draw a little hook. back of the fist, and then same thing, just turn it and close it. Alright, so now let's add in some cool details on the armor. So let's start out in the chest area right here. From the armpit area, just kind of turn in toward the center. And then we'll just close that off. So just one continuous line. And then let's start on the shoulder up here. Slant. Slant down. And then there's some detail right here on the chest area. Just kind of curve it down. So from this corner, come in and curve it. Okay, and then one more curve right here. Start right here and just kind of curve it toward the center again. And it could be a little bit tricky with all these curves. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, as long as you have some of these designs in, it should look fine. Alright, and then on the bottom right here, the rib cage. Just two slants coming down. And then on the side here, just come in and just add a little angle like that. So right on the hip area, on the waist, come down, go back up. Alright, and then right in here, just draw like a little V shape. And then from this point here, just come up here, just connect that. And then right on the, I guess the belt area right here, just draw a little oval. And then lastly, let's just add in one center line. Okay, and then right on the hip, these are easy, right? So it adds a lot of, it's easy to draw and it makes the drawing look a lot cooler. Okay, so that's the, let's see, that's the torso. Now let's add in some detail to the arm. And she's got a little bit of a shoulder padding here. So right here, just gonna go out. And let's just add in one curve from the armpit, just curve to the elbow area. And then lastly, just right here, just one little slant around the forearm. And let's add in a little bit of a angle here. Alright, so that's the upper body, and now let's continue on to her legs. So we're gonna continue with this, right on the hip. Gonna curve down, this is gonna be all the way down to your knee. Start in here, this point here. Curve down, same thing here. And then from here, we're gonna go up, little angle. And then for a knee, little knee pad right here, gonna come back down. So it's just basically like a diamond shape. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. Curve, and use the other side for reference. Okay, same thing here, go up with an angle, and then finish the bottom with a diamond shape. And then the lower leg is very simple. We'll start right on the corner here. We'll flare out. Come down. This one's almost straight down. Close it off. And then for a shoe, we're just gonna come down. So come down this side, and then this one come out a little bit more. Close it off, and let's just go ahead and add one little line there. Alright, so same thing here from the corner. Flare out. Come down, this one's almost straight. Close it off, and then same thing here. Dome shape, just use the other side for reference. Come down a little bit more. Close it. Same detail. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the shape, and then for the little details inside, let's just keep it simple. From this corner here, I'm just gonna draw another one of these angles again, and then I'm just gonna go straight down toward the center. So same thing here, just slant in, and go straight down toward the center. And then for the top here, I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna draw one curve going out. So right around here. Start up here, curve, and then lastly one more curve. Come down, just follow that curve, but then this one's gotta go out. Okay, so curve down and then go out. And that is it for this Kimberly Pink Power Ranger. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.